Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're going to take another look at the P3 by Rockford Fosgate. This is a 12-inch subwoofer. This sub has two voice coils, one on each side here. You got a positive and negative on both sides. And what you got to wire them both up, and I'll show you a diagram of that in a minute. Here's the back of the sub. It's got two of these ports on both sides, and you wire them across, and then you wire. I'll show you the diagram here in a minute. Here's the diagram. Here's the 500 watt amplifier. This is what I have in my car. Okay, you take a positive, wire it across to a negative. Same thing on the other one, positive to a negative. Then you take the positive and a negative, and then you go positive, positive to positive. And over on this side you go negative, negative, negative. So you want to put in these jumpers first. Just take any positive and put it to negative. This positive to a negative, and then you go the two that you have left, that's your positive and negative. That wires in both voice coils. This diagram is in courtesy of Kicker. I couldn't find a really good wiring diagram for Rockford Fosgate, so I hope Kicker don't mind if I use this. I have bought lots of Kicker products. But that's how you wire the dual voice coil with two subs to 1 amp. Okay, this is the way this car is wired up. You got two subs in it and 1 amp. People's commented down below that, man, you could run a 1000 watt amp with that. Believe me, it's plenty loud. So here's your 4 ohm to 2 ohm to your amplifier. And you got to switch your amplifier to 2 ohm load. Okay, this is the car that we're going to put this in. Actually, it's already in, but we're going to take another look at it. I've had requests to look at it again and play some other music, play something that hits a little harder. Now I also want to say, if you can give me a link to a song that is no copyright, then I will make you a video if you want. So if you don't like this music clip, then we'll just make you a video if you want. But you're going to have to send me whatever music clip that you want to hear, something that hits pretty hard, something that's got that low range bass. Send me a link down below and I'll see about making a video for you. So the clip that I'm going to run, I'm going to play it in the car. It's a no copyright video. And then I'm also going to give you the track at the end of the video. So if you really like it, some may not like it, but anyway, we'll just put the clip at the end of the video and you can have the actual track. And also put the track link down below also. So this is the car that the subs are in, and so we're gonna really hit it hard today. I just hope I don't break nothing. So I think my neighbor, I don't think he's home today. They're usually out in the yard on a nice day, but maybe they're not home today, so we're gonna try to hit it hard today, and hopefully it won't break nothing. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, before I go, this is the Rockford Fosgate that I have in the car. It's a 500 watt prime. It's just for subwoofer only. This is your controller right here. This is your sub controller. turn it up or turn it down. And this is the wire that you got to run back to the amp. This is where you run it down to 2 ohm. And these switches right in here. But that's a good hard hitting sub amp right there. So I hope I've got everything covered. If you got any questions, just ask questions below. And like I say, if you don't like this clip, then we'll just make you one. How's that? Yeah, it don't take very long to. I might just skip the talking part of it. I did a before and after on this car, and somebody put down in the comments they gave me a negative for no talking. It was a music video. You don't talk during music videos. So we're gonna do that video here pretty quick. In fact, I thought about making it today, but I want to get this quick little video out for the subwoofer. People's been asking about it. So I don't really have a feather, but I got something that's pretty popular today. Toilet paper. We're going to put this in behind the sub and going to see how it flutters. So let's go to the car and let's get her done. Okay, here's the Rockford Fosgate P3 punch. That's the 212s in there. That's in the back of a 2012 Camaro RS. And okay, so there's the amp inside there. Mount over on the left side. There's a little Rockford amp right there, 500 watt. Right there's the bass controller. That little blue light is.
Purchase your tracks today.